At all these helicopters. What is going on? Hold on. I'm trying to drive. One. What the heck? Now I can't get them. There's like 6 black helicopters. Oh man, the trees. Where are they? Okay, never mind. There's like 6 black helicopters all in a row. I'm gonna try and get them. Oh, there they are. Oh, and one big one. What is going on? Hold on. Look at this. What is going on? What is all this? Whoa. Look at them all. What is happening? 1, 2. Right up above me now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need to get in an accident, but 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there was 6 more flying the other way. What are they doing? Wow. Very bizarre. I can't. I gotta drive. I got incoming cars coming. It's the 55-mile-an-hour zone. That was really weird.